Cannot forget, we failed to keep closing below this range low right here, right, indicating us willingness to go higher. As it is now 11 a.m, I still haven't found any trade for me, so YM has these relative equal highs above, which for me are still a draw on liquidity, because relative equal highs are always a magnet for price. We are currently in this bullish lag, so it's a bullish trend we're in. I got still in the gym with Johnny here.
One of the best exercises for the triceps. Successful trading day, followed the rules. Keanu didn't manage to find a trade today, but I did. I got a win.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Right now it is currently 9:16 a.m. It's Monday morning. Just got on the chart, so let me give you a quick pre-market analysis. All right, so by the way, last Friday closed. It was a pretty bullish daily close inside of this daily fair value gap, right? So we failed to keep closing below this range low right here, right, indicating us willingness to go higher, right? So obviously for today, I already expected price to push higher, and we already did that in the overnight sessions on Asia and London session. Right now, looking at the 4-hour chart, there is a possibility we might create a new fair value gap here to go higher, but we gotta keep in mind that we are also trading inside these SIBIs, these 4-hour SIBIs. So this is a pretty high resistance area, right? On the 1 hour, so on the 1 hour right now, I can see we have created some SMT with ES. I don't specifically am bearish right away just because of this SMT and the point of interest we're in right here, because as you can see, we are currently in a bullish trend reacting from a bullish daily fair value gap. All right, we got some untapped Asia lows, London lows. Price should not be coming to visit those if we are bullish for the whole day. So to be honest now, because we are in this area right here, in this high resistance area, I can remove this line. You just gotta wait, man. Right now, I cannot really enter with a clear direction on where the market wants to go. So I'd rather just wait for market to print some price action the first 30 minutes or hour of the market open to kind of show us where it wants to go. Because right now, it can disrespect this H1 busy, showing us it wants to go lower, taking out this session liquidities. But to be honest, because the trend is bullish and we are coming off a bullish daily fair value gap, I'd rather stick to longs right now. And on YM, for the ones that trade US 30, YM, we created a new 1 hour fair value gap coming out of this big fair value gap on the 4 hour. So this is indicating order flow is bullish, right? So I expected this 1 hour fair value gap to get respected. I also sent that in the group before we traded into it. Then once we traded out of it, we created another fair value gap that is really high probability to hold also. So then we started pushing higher, and we have not created a new fair value gap since. But we have left these relative equal highs right here, and that is a magnet for price. So I don't really want to be taking any shorts before we take these relative equal highs. So yeah, let's see. Right now it is 9:20. See you guys when the market opens. Cannot forget, I also got this new little thing from Costa Rica. It's to make some coffee. You basically put your coffee in here and then you put your hot water inside. But today we're drinking some espresso. Alright guys, we are currently 10 minutes into open. YM literally opened up and flushed straight to London and Asia lows. And NQ, to be honest, is just ranging here. Look, NQ we still have not come close to this SMT with ES. Right now we are 12 minutes into open and we are trading inside of this H1 fair value gap, but right here we are just ranging. Right now for my specific model, I cannot do anything while price is in here. Right, on YM, the markets opened up and we literally flushed straight to the London and Asia low. Right now we are trading inside of this 1 hour fair value gap, which is a pretty high probability fair value gap. We also have this big order block right here. If YM is actually bullish, I don't expect us to take these lows right here. But yeah, no, YM, we got these equal highs right here. We got this swing high and that swing high, which are almost relative equal, guys. So right now we are trading inside of this H1 fair value gap. We might get a potential reaction from it. We swept this low right here. We traded back into this M15 fair value gap. So right now we just gotta sit flat and wait till the market gives us a potential setup to go higher. If not, we won't force anything. Here, NQ just took this high. As I told you, I don't expect this SMT to hold. So yeah, we wait. Alright, so I'm done for the day. I couldn't find any setup for my trading plan, but let me show you what I was looking for. Alright guys, so I was looking at YM. I can remove this. So YM on the 1 hour, we are trading inside of this 1 hour fair value gap, which gave the push yesterday also. Then we swept the previous hour low or some previous hour lows. And then I was waiting for a M5 inversion right here for me to continue higher, because we got these relative equal highs up here. But we never got the M5 inverse, and M15 then created a M15 SIBI, and we never inversed that M15 SIBI. Right now it is almost 12 p.m. so I'm not interested in anything anymore. On NQ we were trading inside of this 1 hour fair value gap. We are also trading inside of this 1 hour fair value gap that price just created. So I was also looking to catch some longs from there. But once I saw this M15 candle, I knew this was a disrespect candle. We were going to continue lower. So I'm going to preserve my capital. I won't use my risk anymore. I'm done for the day. So right now I'm going to go to the gym and see what tomorrow has to bring. I'm going to journal real quick today's price action and I'm done. I got just in the gym with Johnny. Here, man. Guys, usually we don't do dips, but because people are using some other machines, we gotta do some dips.
Keanu's inside. Smoke crushers. The best exercises for tricep. Alright boys, this is the last workout for the day. Tricep push down. Successful trading day. Followed the rules. Keanu didn't manage to find a trade today, but I did. I got a win. But at the end of the day, we both followed our plan. And we hit the gym. We did everything we needed to do. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one after Keanu finishes his set. Sir,
Thanks for watching, boys. Till
Adios.
tomorrow.